I really didn't think I was going to get a walk in today because of the rain and everything. We've had rain now for a few days. But I have an appointment in Brentwood this morning up on Keating Crossroad to get new tires on the car. So I can't go too far. So I'm just going to go up, and I don't think I've done a spring walk up at Durrance Lake yet this year. So let's go see what's happening up at Durrance. And try not to get too wet because it is raining. Well, it's not raining too bad, but I don't want to get my camera wet. This one is not waterproof. So we'll see what we can do here to have a look around. And it's quite beautiful out. There's hardly any wind at all. A calm lake this morning. Just beautiful. Take a look down on the wharf. No one fishing, but there were a couple ladies there that just did their swim across the lake. Yeah, not me. They like to get here early. I know I've run into them before. They swim right across the lake. It's beautiful here this morning. Yeah, just a little heads up though, when you come up to Durrance Lake, it's a beautiful spot, you know, good parking lot and everything, but don't leave any valuables visible in your car. Make sure you lock them up in your trunk. Cars have been broken into up here before, and that's the same as like going down the Tide Inlet, that too. Make sure that you know, make it harder for someone to steal your stuff. But other than that, you just get out here and enjoy these beautiful walks along the lake. Nothing like it. So peaceful here this morning. We'll probably hear some eagles, and I haven't seen any yet. I haven't seen any fish breaking water yet either. Just the swimmers. Wow. All right. We'll carry on down the road here, the access road, and we'll go down across the dam and see what it's like down there. Just beautiful out. Don't want to miss my appointment though. Just like walking, you know, you should have the right shoes on to do the job you want to do. It's about the same for a car. It's always nice to have the right tires for the job you want to do. My tires were getting close to the wear bars, but heading off on a trip coming up shortly over to the prairies, so yeah, time to put new rubber on it. Put the right tires on to do the job. Oh, got a goose up here. Where's your buddies? Whoop. Am I disturbing you? Huh. Usually you don't see one alone. What fly is it you got on?
I think it's a Carry Special.
Oh yeah.
A little green and like a wet fly.
Oh yeah. It floats well.
Oh, that's my bobber.
Oh, that's your bobber?
Yeah, it's a water bobber.
Oh, okay. So your fly is a wet fly then.
It's a pretty nice setup because you don't need the weight wheel.
Yeah.
Just cast it.
Oh, cool.
This puts water in, that's your weight too.
Yeah.
And then it's a little split.
It helps you throw it out better then.
Yeah, exactly. Cast it pretty good.
Yeah. That gives you a good distance.
Yeah, that's good.
Seen the eagle yet today, or?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah?
Yeah, he went over about half an hour ago.
Yeah. Yeah, he's pretty good at picking off the fish when you're bringing them in, too.
I've had that before.
Well, I have, too. I'd rather have an eagle fight with an eagle than a seal.
Yeah.
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 The otters, though, up here will steal them, too, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They usually sit under the wharf over there when people are fishing on the wharf.
Yeah. Yeah, we were fishing around Cache Creek at Loon Lake.
Yeah.
And the eagles would come, they'd wait till you got a trout on, and they'd come down and take it right off your line.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like fishing off the Victoria waterfront.
Yeah.
The seals would just follow the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, there's so many seals.
Yeah. Oh well, it's so nice out. I think I'll carry on.
Yeah, it is a nice day.
Sorry.
That's no problem. I'm not fishing.
You didn't get it.
Oh.
You missed it, Dingo.
It's right there. There it is. Almost close. You're helping by driving the fish over that way.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big log. You don't want that one.
Yeah.
I don't think she's done this before. It's our daughter's dog.
Hi.
It's the only way to get her back in.
Oh yeah. Oh, that tires me out just looking at her. That's a good sized stick.
Yeah. Yeah, she likes to hit every little like dip out of the trees.
Yeah.
While walking around.
That can be slippery. Well, good luck.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Better than I do.
Oh yeah, better.
Yeah, I know. This is where you run by you with a big stick.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the dam down at the end of the lake down here. Ooh, it's a little misty out now. It's beautiful. It's almost stopped raining. Oh, what's with these holes here? Look how precisely they're made. Never seen anything like that. Wonder if something's in there. Who wants to stick their hand in? It's hollow in there. Really weird. Wow, there's little corridors that go off inside there too. Huh. Wonder what that's all about. If someone knows, let me know. Hi guys. How are you? Hey.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning. Oh, just saw a fish jump. This is such a nice lake just to walk around. It's a lot easier than walking around Elk Beaver Lake, of course, and a lot easier than going Matheson Lake, if you're looking, or even Craig Flower Trail. This is a whole lot easier. There's a little steep spot over there, but it's nothing you can't handle. I mean, if you can get out and walk and hike a little bit, you have no problem doing this one. Where Matheson Lake, you can do it one way, but I wouldn't go all the way around because it gets really steep in some spots. But if you just want a nice, easy walk on a beautiful lake on a morning like today, well, there's an eagle in that big snag over there, right at the top. Of course, I haven't got my zoom lens, so take my word for it. He's up there. Oh, and the dog, oh, another fish jumped over there. Wow, they're starting to get active. Oh, another one here. Get tires or go fishing? Yeah, time to retire. Not me, the car. All right, thanks very much for watching. Get out and enjoy these places, because I mean, another fish. I mean, like, when I first got here, there was nothing happening. Now that I gotta go, action. Where was I? Oh yeah, get out there, enjoy these places, stay safe, and hey, we're gonna talk and walk real soon. Bye for now. Wow. Oh, otter. Everything's happening.